Welcome to the installation process of the Card Payment Gateway by Adyen to your Shopify store. Here we discuss the installation process of the Card Payment Shopify payment app. Make sure you have fulfilled the basic requirements. Active Shopify store. Active Adyen account. Card payment enabled in the Adyen account. Provide your store URL via WhatsApp to obtain the app installation URL. Once you obtain the installation URL, you can continue the installation. How to find the Adyen account credentials. Find the merchant account code. Get the API key. Get the prefix. Step 1. How to find the account code. Log into the Adyen account and go to the dashboard. Click on Settings. Then click on Merchant Accounts. There you can find the account code. Step 2. How to add credentials and get the API key. Click on Developers. Then click on API Credentials. Click on Create New Credentials. Click on Web Service User and then click on Create Credential. Add a description in the General Settings. Go to the Server Settings section, click on Generate API Key button and you can generate an API key. You can copy the API key by clicking on the icon. Then click on Save Changes. Go to the Client Settings section, click on Generate Client Key button and you can generate a client API key. You can copy the client API key by clicking on the icon. Go to the Add Allowed Origins and insert app.cartdna.com as the value and click on Add button. Go to the Allowed IP Range section and insert the IP address provided by the service provider. Then click on Allow. Then click on Save Changes. You can find the recently created API credential in the list. Step 3. How to configure the webhook. Click on Developers. Click on Webhooks. Then click on Webhook. Click on the Add button in front of the standard webhook. Make sure that the webhook is enabled. Add a description in the General section and click on Apply. Paste the URL given by the service provider in the Server Configuration section and click on Apply. Click on the Test Configuration button at the bottom of the page. Select the merchant account from the list. Then select the relevant event from the list and click on Test. Then click on Done. Then click on Save Changes. You have successfully configured the webhook. How to get the prefix from your live customer area. Go to Developers. Then click on API URLs. Then go to Prefix. Now you can start installing the Shopify payment app. Click on the Install button. Then click on the Install App button. You will be redirected to the App Configuration portal. Let's configure the payment app. Click on the Continue button to go to the next step. Click on the Select Plan button. Important! There are two modes. Live mode is only for live transactions and test mode is only for test transactions. Test mode is optional. We are configuring live mode for this instance. Enter the credentials that you extracted from your Adyen account and click on Activate. Select the relevant payment methods from the list and click on Activate. Your payment app is installed. Please send the following details via WhatsApp to complete the merchant onboarding process and we can activate the live mode of the application. 1. Payment Gateway Application Name, example, Card Payment. 2. Company name, optional. 3. Contact name, first name and last name. 4. Contact email. 5. Contact mobile number, WhatsApp, Viber, or Telegram mobile number. 6. Shopify URL. 7. Billing address.
Thank you for watching.